Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, and tonight I am going to cook chicken curry with Uncle Ben's rice. So ito ang rice natin. So guys, ito ang gagamitin ko. 1 onion, mushroom, diced chicken breast, and curry sauce. So na-slice ko na lahat at na-preheat ko na yung kawali. And then I am going to put oil. At igigisa ko lang yung sibuyas for 5 minutes until na mag-brown siya. Ayan. At ilalagay ko na yung chicken breast at kurawin ko ng kurawin para maluto. And then I am going to put garlic powder, black pepper, at ayan. Ilalagay ko na rin yung in-slice kong mushroom. Ayan. So, lutuin lang natin ng about 5 minutes. And then, ilalagay ko na yung chicken curry sauce. At isi-simmer ko siya for 5 minutes. Ayan. It's very simple cooking lang ito. Alam nyo kung ikaw lang ang kakain, you just have to do it simple. Ayan. At ito ang rice natin. I-microwave ko lang siya ng 2 minutes. And then, it's all ready. Ayan. So, tanggalin natin sa microwave at ilalagay natin sa plato. So, we are ready to eat mga kainday. Ayan. Umuusok kasi galing lang sa microwave. Ayan. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. At ito lang guys, ang simple cooking natin ngayong gabi, and I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ninyo, at salamat sa panonood, and don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please do subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!